welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, motivation and appreciation. I have been receiving some of the messages, I have been receiving some of the comments. Thank you so much for that. And yes, some suggestions I'll be working on in the near future. I'll be uploading some more videos on those certain topics also. Moving forward, this is not a time specific reading, this is a sign specific reading. This reading is dedicated to my sun sign, to my zodiacs, Libra. Please do not get confused with sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. I'll be doing a separate video on this topic and will be soon uploading a video for your information. Then further moving on, if you have any suggestions, any insights, any more queries regarding any certain readings, if you want to dig deeper on any certain topics, please do write in the comment section below. I'll do reading on those certain topics as well. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe this channel. And please do not forget to click the bell icon as to whenever I'll make a new video, I'll upload, you'll get the notifications. Moving on, let's see Libra. General reading for Libra. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine, doing great. Libra. Okay, Librans. A very positive time ahead, a very strong time ahead. You are looking materialistically strong, sound. You have certain strong agendas, you have certain strong parameters over certain topics. You are looking forward and working towards that direction. It is going to be beneficial for you. You can definitely go ahead and see to it. There is no problem in doing that. And the reason you should do this is, okay, the timing is perfect, the opportunities coming at your doorstep is very good, is excellent. You need to have some materialistic gains, you need to have some positive gains, you need to accumulate some gain. This is a very, very good beneficial time for you. Even if you want to go for higher studies, you want to get enrolled in some course, this is a very beneficial time for you. You can definitely do that. You can add feathers to your cap, you can add certain things which can give you an extra edge of craftsmanship over the others, which will be very beneficial and will work in your favor in the long run. Good time ahead. And just don't think of it as in any ways. Believe in yourself, have trust in yourself. Everything is going to turn out in your favor. Keep your happy-go-lucky nature strong. You have to take, in certain areas, you will have to take leap of faith also. Certain areas or certain events are going to happen where you will be standing at a crossroad in which you will have to take a leap of faith and trust the universe, trust your vibes, trust your gut calling, trust your instincts. The decision which you will take for, further improvement of your life, for proper benefactory of your life, it is all going to work out. Believe in yourself, you are on the right direction, and in the process you are going to help not only yourself but others as well. And one very, very important lesson is going to happen if you do that, if you listen to yourself, if you follow your heart. The people who have not been believing in you, the people who have always put obstacles in your way, they are going to recognize your potential, they are going to recognize your true skills, and they are going to appreciate your efforts. And as it is generally said that efforts has no value, only the result is that matters. You know, when you are making something, or you see a house under construction or anything under construction, people will not be so much swayed by this. But once the building is ready, once the construction stands erect, once it stands on a solid foundation, everyone then sees in a very awe, they are all awestruck, they see it in a very with a glad mood. Okay, oh my god, what is this? So the effort has no values. What only the most important thing is the result. So focus on your result, focus on your hard work. You are going to achieve that, and then you are going to prove yourself to those people. You are going to give an answer to those people who have been always questioning your potential. So please move forward, show yourself, showcase yourself. It's nice times ahead. Very good, positive times ahead. The universe has your hand. Lots of opportunities are opening up. But always remember, there are people around you who question you, but there are also people around you who love you. They are always in support of you. They are always in favor of you. They believe in you. So you can take help from that segment of society. You can take help from that segment of colleagues, friends, relatives, and prove yourself. So do not stop here in the first stage itself. You are ready to take the plunge. You are ready to take leap of faith. Do it. Have a very sound and persistent journey ahead to reach your goal, and you will definitely do it. So here's wishing all the best. Do your best, and God will do the rest. And God bless.